Model, 1995 VW Volkswagen Transporter T4 Camper. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 177226. Engine, 1896 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Alternator needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest camper van with a ton of life left in it, just requites a bit of mechanical TLC, quick and easy project for the right person. Features, part service history. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.